Speaker sir, the attention of the House is drawn as regards the concern of the Govins as regards the financial irregularity of Samruddha Jeevan Foods India Limited, wherein a substantial number of Goan citizens have been cheated of their hard-earned savings through the fraudulent deposits and the investment scheme. The measures the government has undertaken to take the punitive action as regards the arrest made, if any. Status of the investigation, properties, assets attached in the Goa, whether competent authority or the nodal officer is appointed, the quantum of the compensation to the victim and the steps taken by the Goa government similar to the action taken by the Protection of Interest of the Depositor Act to ensure refunds to the Goan investor. Last time, Speaker sir, last time हे हावें जिरोवर मेन्शन केल्ले आशिल्ले.
माननीय सदस्य एक मिनिट.
हय.
जिरोवर मेन्शन करा आणि त्याची नोंद घेतली वयतली. जिरोवर नंबर 2 माननीय सदस्य दिलारा रघु
पास झाल्या सॉरी पार्लमेंटातल्यान हे पास झाले आणि पार्लमेंटातल्यान बिल पास झाले.